Let's go ahead and do a review of TeleportHQ, which lets you create and publish static sites with a collaborative, front-end platform. It's alternative to Frame.io and would be best fit for developers, product designers, and web designers looking for a low-code tool to build static websites. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into TeleportHQ and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $79, and for $79 you will get 5 editors, 3 custom domains. If you go for license tier 2, you will get 10 editors, 6 custom domains. Want to get an extra 10% off AppSumo lifetime deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every products. TeleportHQ is a low-code development tool that lets you create and publish static sites with a drag-and-drop visual editor. TeleportHQ's drag-and-drop visual editor makes it easy to design and code static sites in just a few clicks. You can fully customize any design elements on your canvas to perfect the look and feel of each web page. Browse through different site templates, or use your own Figma files. Either way, you can save custom components to reuse in future projects. Plus, you'll be able to preview your mobile-friendly site in real time to ensure consistency across devices. TeleportHQ's shared code editor allows developers to collaborate in real time as they build new components, or edit existing ones, all without leaving the platform. Instantly see who's working on what to maintain a seamless workflow. You can also share projects with different stakeholders to keep them in the loop. You'll be able to create functional prototypes and preview sites before they're live, so you know the finished product is error-free. Best of all, TeleportHQ automatically writes code for your entire project, even Figma imports and custom components. If you're a web developer, you can instantly download the code in HTML or CSS to continue working on it in your own environment. You'll be able to export production-ready code in 9 JavaScript frameworks including React, Next, and Gatsby. You're able to host your site on the TeleportHQ domain for free, so you can easily share it across the web. If you want more control over your branding, you can also deploy to a custom domain instantly using Vercel for an enhanced end-user experience. Just push to production with a single click on your Vercel account, and you're ready to go live. Without the right collaboration tool, your team has to check different channels just to get on the same page. With TeleportHQ, you get a low-code, visual editor that lets you create websites with UI elements and chat with your team in real time. Publish stunning static sites in no time. Get lifetime access to TeleportHQ today.